Right, quick video back again. Today we are going to teach you how to make a DJ mix, just because I don't really have footage I can edit quick enough this week. So let's get straight into it. First thing you're going to need a laptop. Doesn't matter what laptop, any kind of laptop, as long as it has the ability to DJ. You're going to need some software called Serato and some editing software, either Audacity or Logic. A DJ deck. This is a Pioneer SB3, small, cute, compact, does what it needs to do, gets you from point A to B. You can carry it places. You can get smaller decks you can carry and whatever not. I actually brought this to Florida the other day. You can get yourself, yeah, like I said, it doesn't really matter, a Mac. This is a MacBook Pro, no flex. We're gonna open Serato. Let's change locations. The reason I'm doing this video is obviously because I don't have any content for this week, so I'm gonna give you a DJ mix, how to make one, and how I made Coolest Vibes 8, out now.
You are now live in the mix with Island Dre.
Can't take no more, say the word.
Red Label.
You are now live in the mix with Island
Underneath no big like stadium. Fine fast away no.
Oh, me give you some fame fuck. You only do me, yeah, yo, me never get to see the pussy. Send me a message, say she need all you.
Part of my little drink series that I do, where I make mixes of drink names. So I have Magnum Slow Wine, Dre Slow Bubbleson, Dre Hennessy and You, Samsa, and 1942. Go check them out, they're on Soundcloud. I'll put them up wherever I need to put them up. First thing you want to do is you want to make yourself a folder, the songs you want to hear. This mix is a dancehall mix, the last one was an R&B mix. So I kind of just chucked a bunch of songs into this folder here. We call them crates. So in this mix, my first song was 7 O'Clock by Mally Don. And that kind of set the whole direction of how I was going to mix. And then me personally, I kind of like to have themes or keys that I kind of like to work from, so I know how I'm progressing through a mix, and kind of BPMs too. Throughout this mix, I stayed between 90s to 100s, nothing faster than that, went down to 80s. But I kind of just figured out, okay, I want to do some wordplay here, do something there. So get your stuff sorted, get your mix order, then you record. And you'd record using your decks. That's the only way you can record. And then once you're done, you can do a little bit of editing on Logic. So here you can see the different waveforms of me recording. So I might edit out mistakes or different segments I don't like, and then everything you see below it is just some sound effects. That's completely up to you. You don't have to add sound effects, but it depends on the type of vibe. It depends on the type of vibe you're trying to go for. So here I've got like some jingles.
You are now live in the mix with
Lasers, because it's a dancehall mix, you want something to hear in it. So yeah, that's essentially a quick vid on how to make a DJ mix. Not too long. I do all the extra processing and mixing down and stuff just because I know how to do it. But this mix in total was a long one, I'll be honest. This was an hour 30, and it consisted of 70 plus, where did I stop? 70 plus 30, so about 100 songs. Every mix is different. Depends what you want to do, really. The Coolest Vibe one, 40 songs, just about an hour. So yeah, any questions, leave them down in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Quick video on how to make a DJ mix. I don't feel like I'm leaving out anything. Oh, and obviously you want to upload it to whatever platform you have. Soundcloud, that's where you can find all my stuff. Island Dre, that's ISLANDDRE, different to obviously YouTube channel name. Am I missing anything? I think that's That's it. It's kind of simple, kind of straightforward. Just press record. Make sure you get me. If you mess up, start again. Quick video, quick in and out. That's me. Later.